and welcome to Kalamandir, the best shopping world. As you all know, Kalamandir sarees are very genuine in price and we never compromise with our quality. There are two ways to shop with Kalamandir. In the description, you will be providing with all these saree links. Click on your favorite saree code, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily, or else take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. And today our collection is Banarasi weaving sarees at flat 30%. Let's begin. Let me talk about the saree which I am wearing, which is in a bright combination, navy blue and orange color combination. All over body you can see this beautiful golden zari floral zal, and coming to the border it's contrast with waves khadi and also floral zal, and pallu it's contrast with floral zal all over. Yes, for this beautiful saree we got plain contrast blouse. This saree cost is 3600 and after 30% of discount it is 2520 only. Yes, to purchase this lovely bright color saree, click on saree code which is in the description, or else take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. Next saree. Yes, in the same pattern we got one more lovely combination, sky blue and yellow color combination, very pleasant. All over body we got zari floral zal, and coming to the border we got floral zal and khadi contrast one. Pallu is also contrast with zari weaving all over, and blouse it's a plain contrast. This saree cost is same 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Next saree. Here comes orange and pink color saree. All over body we got golden saree, heavy floral zal which is giving heavy look to the saree, and coming to the border it's contrast with floral zal and also waves khadi. Pallu it's contrast pink color, on that we got a beautiful saree woven, and blouse it's contrast plain one. The saree cost is 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Yes, to purchase this lovely saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760, or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. While purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on the same number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you and assist you to resolve all your issues. Next saree. Here comes one more lovely combination, green and blue color. Seems very trendy. All over body we got golden zari floral zal, heavy floral zal border. We got floral zal and also half with khadi. Pallu is also contrast with floral zari weaving all over, and blouse is contrast plain one. The saree cost is 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Next saree. Here comes one more Banarasi weaving saree with different pattern, pink and green color combination. Always perfect traditional combination. Body we got checks, jerry checks and florals and dots aligned in that. And coming to the border it's contrast with heavy floral zal, circle floral zal. And pallu it's contrast with zari weaving all over, and here comes the blouse contrast with zari stripes. The saree cost is 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. As to purchase this lovely traditional combo saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. For more collections and updates you can follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir, YouTube Kalamandir. Also subscribe to our channel Kalamandir and click on bell icon so that you will be getting notified whenever we upload our live shows and short videos as well. For more collections you can also visit our website www.kalamandir.com. Next saree. Yes, such a beautiful combination. We got one more exclusive color combination, that is orange and pink, very trendy. Body we got checks and florals aligned with golden saree, and coming to the border it's heavy border, contrast with floral zal. Pallu is also contrast with zari weaving, and blouse it's contrast with zari stripes and also with border. This saree cost is also same 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Next saree. Here comes one more different combination, light yellow and pink color, very lovely. Body we got golden saree, checks and florals and dots aligned in that. Border it's a huge border, contrast with heavy floral zal, contrast pallu with heavy floral zal weaving, and blouse it's a plain contrast, on that we got zari stripes. The saree cost is 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Next saree. Yes, here comes parrot green and pink color saree in this pattern. Body we got golden zari checks and florals, and border it's a huge border with heavy florals all divided design, and pallu also contrast with zari weaving all over, And blouse, it's a contrast one with zari stripes and also with border. This saree cost is also same 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. Ladies, for more collections and updates you can join our WhatsApp group. Link is provided in the description. Click on that, join our WhatsApp group and get updated with our latest collections. Next saree. Yes, here comes last saree for this episode. Navy blue and pink color combination, very bright. It suits everyone very well, I'm pretty sure. And all over body we got golden zari checks and florals and dots aligned, contrast border with heavy florals all. And pallu is also contrast with zari weaving all over, and blouse, it's a contrast with zari stripes. This saree cost is 3600 and after discount it is 2520 only. So how is the collection, ladies? Hope you all liked today's beautiful Banarasi weaving saree collection at flat 30%. Cash and delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. And that too, Kalamandir is giving you 30% of discount. Click on your favorite saree code. All the saree codes are there in the description. It will direct to website and makes your shopping very simple. So this is Radhika. Keep smiling. Signing off. Bye bye.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.